Well, don't touch the muddy ones.
If you came to prove, there's no reason to prove.
Oh, that's a
Touch
big
the
one.
muddy ones.
Yeah.
Just wipe your fingers on that clean rock right there. Wipe it on that big one.
You wouldn't have to do that if you just leave the muddy ones alone.
Don't go to the muddy
You
ones.
could pick up all these ones right here.
Now you've got yourself something funky.
Yeah, that'll cut your hand.
Cut your hand.
You'll be bleeding everywhere. Just one big rock.
One rock at a time.
Stay in the safe zone or you're going to end up as a statistical zone. There you go. You got yourself the biggest snake ever. You can drag your snake.
Just stand over here because there's a guy coming.
Now watch where you go. Go straight. Take your snake. Pull your snake. Oh my goodness. That's a big snake.
Wow, look at that.
Whoa. Look at a dragon tail, one of the two, or a kite tail. It looks like a dragon tail. What is it? Dragon tail? Okay, here we go. We get some shade over here. Stay right here. Biker's coming. Dave, walk over here, please. How you doing? Oh no, you're balancing with the dragon. There we go. Faster we get over here, we get some shade. Silly kid.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
We're going on a bear hunt, going on a bear hunt. I'm not scared of a little bear. Swish, swish, you can't go over it, can't go over it. Gotta go through it. Sing it, Harper. We're going on a rooster hunt. I heard me a rooster.
It's the levitating caterpillar. Dun, 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 dun. You gonna let it go? I'll film it going down. Whoa!
Oh, it fell down.
Okay, now it'll be on the video.